could explain the fans decided to come back on. But I'm just doing this as many times as possible to get an accurate sort of, I don't know, speculation of what the Range Rover can do when driven by a maniac down a narrow single-track road. Yes, 70. Okay, that's enough for today, and slam on the brakes, because there are children playing. If it were up to me, I would kill the bastards.